Today I want to talk about manifesting free stuff, lots of free stuff, and checks in the mail. So not too long ago, I was asking the universe or God to show me how to get lots of free stuff. Lots of free stuff. That was just my request. And I also remember asking for checks in the mail. Like, I watched The Secret a long time ago, and you know, one of the parts he was like, I got bills in the mail all the time, and then I started asking the universe, how can I get checks in the mail all the time? So that gave me the idea to ask for lots of checks in the mail. This was maybe a couple years ago, maybe not. I'm not really sure of the timeline of when I started asking for this stuff, but I haven't really been asking for money as much as free stuff because, I don't know, it's just a lot of fun to get free stuff. So let's talk about how this manifested. There has been so many different ways that free stuff has manifested in my life in the past couple months. Since October, I've actually been using this rebate site, and I'm going to put the link in the description below so you can check it out yourself. This rebate site, I've been a little bit obsessive. I spent a lot of time on it, but I get about 40 to 50 items free every single month. It's basically a rebate site. I mean, there's certain items that you can get for free. It's not like you can get on Amazon and get everything for free. It's just certain items. I'm going to show you all the items that I got free this past month after we do our little talk. So in a little bit, I'll show you all the different items I got for free. So that's one way that it's kind of shown up. I'm not really sure how this showed up because my mom's always like, well, how did you find out about this site? And I don't really remember. So I've gotten stuff there, and then I think since maybe I've had cookies showing up on my computer and Facebook realizes that I like free stuff, Facebook has started advertising, get this free item, get that free item. So through different companies, I've been getting lots of items on Amazon for free. So basically, they'll say, here's the free item, and I'll buy it, and then they give me a gift card back. So that's number 2 ways that free stuff has showed up. Number 3, this week alone, I've had 2 different items literally just randomly show up in my mailbox. Okay, so I'll show you what came in the mail free. And I really have well, I might have a little bit of an idea how this showed up, but I had no clue this was coming. So here's this jade roller that I got. I mean, how the heck do you use that? I'm not really sure. So that showed up in the mail, and then 2 or 3 days ago, this nutritional showed up in the mail. It's a super algae. I mean, I'm into eating really healthy and lots of nutritionals. I love nutritionals. I actually did get a product from them after rebate on a different site, so I thought, well, maybe they just sent it to me because I was on some list. But yep, those are the 2 items that I got completely free. They just, I guess, manifested and showed up in my mailbox, and I really not sure how they got there, but they did. Okay, so those are the 3 ways that free stuff has showed up for me. Let's talk about manifesting checks in the mail. So I told you that I wanted to manifest lots of checks in the mail, and I think it's kind of funny that the site that I'm getting free stuff on is a rebate site. So basically, you buy the stuff on Amazon, and in 35 days they give you what? A check back in the mail. So I kind of get like 3 to 4 checks every single week in the mail now. I mean, I was hoping that the checks would be like money made, but maybe my manifesting, like I need to be more clear in what I ask for. But it's really kind of funny that checks are showing up in the mail, and I did ask for checks to show up in the mail. Another way that checks have showed up in the mail, and this actually can be something that you can do too, and of course I'll put the link in the description box, but if I am doing the rebate site, I will go through Ebates first, something that'll come up for free, and I'll click buy now, and another page will come up. So then I'll go to my Ebates tab, and I'll click the shop now on Amazon. So basically another tab pops up, and I have noticed as long as the item is not in the cart when you go through Ebates, that you can get cash back on Ebates. So hopefully you understand what I'm saying, but not only am I getting the free stuff, I'm actually getting cash back on the free stuff. So you can get free stuff, checks in the mail like I am. And let me go and show you all the free stuff that I've gotten this month. No joke, this is all the free stuff that I've gotten this month. Well, at least most of it is free. I got free on the rebate site. I'll show you really quickly what I got. So these are little shelves. I'm really excited about these watercolor brush pens. I've never used these, so I'm really excited to see how they're gonna work. This came up a couple times for free, and I was trying to be like, don't get everything, but I told Steven, my husband, like, they just told me it was free too many times, and so I ended up getting it. And then this goes in the car, so it's for Madison when we're driving around. This is a box full of cups and napkins. I got these to give to my dad as a gift. Well, not really as a gift, but basically for him to use. These are both ponchos here. I actually paid maybe $2 a piece for these, and I got me one and Steven one. And then this right here is a travel bag. So you put your stuff in there, and then it's supposed to keep it organized for when you're traveling. Okay, this box full of stuff. We have a lot of different nutritionals in here because I kind of like getting, you know, gummies and stuff for kids. They're easy. And then anything that's healthy, I always like to get probiotics when they show up. This is that stuff that you get at Trader Joe's, but look how big this is. And this one was, well, it didn't cost me anything, but if you were to get it off Amazon, it was like $8, $9. But I got it free and I really like it, so I'm excited about that. Some more nutritionals. It's a box full of nutritionals. Turmeric, I get a lot of turmeric. Turmeric is really good for pain. Instead of it taking something for pain, that's really good for you. This is a deodorant, a natural deodorant. Some elderberry gummies. This is matcha, and it's actually supposed to have caffeine in it, so I wanted to try that since I've been trying to give up coffee this week, which has been a little bit of a challenge. This is a thermometer. I think I got this for like $1 or $2. Some cacao. Whenever I see that stuff for free, I always grab it. Dog treats, because my mom just got a dog. Some more nutritionals. Let's see, we're getting down on the box. More nutritionals. This is a nutritional that if you have some depression or sadness, this is supposed to be really good and help with that. Enzymes are always good to have. Helps digest your food. I got this because this brand, this Earth's Daughter, is a really good brand. So I really like their stuff, and I thought, well, what the heck, why not get something like that? These are kitchen shears, some more scissors for the kitchen. I got some hemp body cream. So this is something that you put, you know, basically as a lotion, but I think it's supposed to help with pain because it has the hemp oil in it. And then I got these. Of course, who doesn't need that if you're a woman? I don't know. And some more turmeric. Like I said, turmeric is always good for pain. Some melatonin gummies, because sometimes I have trouble sleeping. I wasn't really sure what this was. It said something about a DNA repair, and it was kind of expensive, and I thought, well, maybe that would be really healthy for me, but I don't really know. These are really, really cute socks. They're long socks, long legging socks, and they're just really cute. So I think these ended up costing me $1, but you know, it was worth it. A little LED flashlight 2-pack. And this is like just sink strainers, but I'm not really going to open them up. Now let's see what's in the next box. Oh yeah, this was hidden at the side, so it's a little, this is a heating pad. Of course, I already took the heating pad out to use, so it's an empty box. But let's see. We got some chalk markers, some more socks. There's 2 socks in here. They're actually coffee socks. I did a video on that of other coffee socks that I got. It just basically says, if you see this, bring me some. If you see this, bring me coffee, or something like that, which kind of crazy because like I was drinking coffee until this week, and then I'm like, I'm gonna try to give up coffee, so I don't know, maybe those will be a gift. This is a shirt, a pink shirt and a red shirt, so they're basically the same shirt but different colors. This is hair chalk. There's tons of different colors in here, and I don't know, I might do a video trying it out, but I don't know if I'll do that or not. And then straws, disposable straws, paper straws, and we use straws in our house, so that's always good to get. These are Easter eggs, and they have little toys in them, little Lego toys. So we're gonna give these out at Easter to all of Madison's friends. Here is some colored pencils. This one actually cost me $1 for that one. Some more dog treats for my mom's dog. I'm not going to open this one up, but this is basically some stickers. They're glitter stickers. So I'm excited about opening those. I actually just got those in the mail. This is a frother. And actually, I don't drink milk, so, well, I don't drink milk, so I use this to mix up my nutritionals, so they mix really well, and then it's not like all these little pieces that don't taste good. This is some charcoal shampoo. I mean, when you get free shampoo, of course, that's an amazing thing. This is some dog wash, and this is actually for my mom too, and I think this one cost about $1. This was a $50 item. Of course, it did not cost me anything. These are expandable hoses, and I'm actually going to put this around my pool and try to warm it because it's black and I get creative and do things like that. And then these are little washcloth things, and this is grilling gloves. Guys, if you have manifested any amazing stuff this week, let me know in the comments below. Also, if you enjoyed this video, like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye!